This time, Take will make pork miso soup. Pork miso soup is a local dish of Kagoshima Prefecture. Prepare vegetables. Chop carrots. Chop roughly the lotus root. Cut the radish into the shape of a ginkgo leaf. Cut the onion. Cut potatoes. Cut burdock into various shapes and soak in water for 10 minutes. Fry the meat. Put the vegetables in the pot. Add 800 milliliters of water.
Adding dashi granules gives it an even more Japanese flavor.
Simmer for 15 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of miso. Dissolve the miso a little at a time with a ladle.
The tip making miso soup is to dissolve the miso a little at a time on the ladle, while tasting and adjusting the flavor.
Cut the Mitsuba leaves and add the toppings. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it. Serve the dish.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.